morning. My name is Simeon Saidi of HM Chariots Farms. Like you can see, my shirt says, I am born to farm. So today I'm at the piggery, and interestingly, we have two sets of winners available. Now, these winners, this first set, they are currently 4 weeks after winning. That means taking them from their mothers. That's 4 5 weeks of after breastfeeding. Now we are winning them. So we have this first set. They are currently 4 weeks being weaned right now. So these are winners you can use to start your farm. If you're a farmer, a pig farmer, and you want to start your farm, you can start with these sets of winners. They're doing very well. You can see they are very good breed. You can see they are very good breeds to use in starting your farm. So 4 weeks already weaned piglets that we have here, or pigs, whatever you want to call them. Now, if you look at the breed, they are basically a combination of large white and land breeds. You can see the ears dropping very well. So you have a combination of large white and land breeds. And you can see the length. From the length, it's showing you the potential of this pig if you get them. So we also have another set. I'm sorry, I'm going to cross. I don't want to open the gate because of this pig. Some of them are very stubborn. So we have another set. These are just 3 days. Am I correct? 3 days weaned already. We just took them away from their mothers, and they are three very agile, very active sets of pigs. So aside selling live weight, fully grown, special breed pigs, we also specialize in selling winners or growers too to help you start your farm. You can look at them. These ones are just 3 days. We just started winning them 3 days. And you can see their feed. We have special feed for them from Terratiga. These are not your normal feed. You have soya bean. I think the protein content in this should be almost 18 to 25% from Terratiga. So that's what we feed them. We have special diets for our winners to help them grow very quickly. So it's sourcing for your winners, it's sourcing for your growers, it's sourcing for your live weight, or how to start your farm consultation. HM Chariots Realtors is available. And any other thing you need about running your pig farm effectively, please call us. The number is 0818 540 3844. Our farm is at Command Ipaja. So just let me know how to help you. God bless you, and remember.